Right, grade 5s, we're now going to fill in the other side of our mind map. Right, and these are all our angles. Now, many of these angles you learned in grade 4, so these should be fairly easy. Right at the top, we've got a right angle, and a right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, now remember, to show 90 degrees, we use a little box that looks like that, and let's call our lines here. We can even call them and refer to them if we wanted to. We could write A, and this could be point B, and this could be C. So that would be line BC, and that would be line AB. And they are making a right angle at 90 degrees. So let's just write here 90 degrees. Right, full rotation is basically an angle that goes right around a point. Okay, so it's going over. This is an acute angle, then it hits 90, then it would hit into a obtuse angle, reflex angle, and now it's come right around and it's made a full rotation. And this one would be 360 degrees. Okay. Right, then we call a reflex angle, and the way that I try to remember this one is that it's like reflexing your muscles, making your muscles look really big, and it looks like someone has bent their arm. And so this one starts here and goes right around past the straight line into a reflex angle. And so this angle over here is going to be greater than 180 degrees. So you could write that like this. Okay, and it's always going to be an angle that's going to be greater than 180 degrees. Right, then we have a straight line. And a straight line, you can see I've also done my little, I'm going to call it line AB. Okay, and a straight line is exactly that. It's a straight line, and it sits, and it's going to make 180 degrees. So we know every straight line is always going to be 180 degrees. Right, then we get an obtuse angle, and an obtuse angle is bigger than 90. It's bigger than being a little baby angle, like an acute angle, which we're going to go to over here. And so this one starts here, and he's going to go past 90, and he's going to be greater than 90, but he hasn't hit a straight line, so he's not quite 180, but he's bigger than 90 degrees. So we can write that like this, 180 degrees, 90 degrees. So in other words, it's bigger than 90, but not greater than 180 degrees. And then the last one is an acute angle, and we remember that by being cute and small. Okay, and so our acute angle over here, we can call this line A, this point B, so that's BC, line BC. This is line AB, and they meet at B here, and an acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. And that is all our different angles. Done.